purpose of this video is to make a deeper dive into multi-criteria decision analysis logic, how the tool works, and what you get as a decision maker. The proposed approach is built around a decision support tool implemented in Power Apps. This means it can be easily deployed in virtually any organization that uses Microsoft technologies. Before we move into the tool itself, a short introduction. DecideIT is structured across 3 levels: Portfolio View, Backlog View, and Item View. Portfolio View grants executive visibility. Backlog View enables initiatives overview. Item View allows defensible decision. At the highest level, there's a portfolio, where you see in one place backlogs created across the organization. This organization has them too: procurement and IT sales platform development. Each backlog can be different. Each can serve a different purpose. It can be created based on a specific budget, a strategic area, a product, or a defined initiative. And each backlog can have its own owner, responsible for priorities, criteria, and final decisions. This structure allows organizations to maintain autonomy at the backlog level while providing transparency and keeping control at the portfolio level. The backlog level moves us closer to the actual options being evaluated. I will explain this in more detail later in the presentation. For now, I'd like to focus on what is visible at this level. Here, you see the individual backlog items. They are automatically sorted by business value, from the most to the least important. Each item has its own status that is fully configurable to match the process. For example, discovery phase, deep dive phase, ready for development, or simply rejected. For main sales platform IT changes, each item represents a potential feature. Every feature is described in a structured way, with a short description and business value expressed through predefined set of criteria. To review and understand these criteria, we will move one level deeper. This brings us to the item level view. The item level view is the most detailed screen in the tool. This is where decisions are built on real insight. Here in the middle, you see individual criteria used to evaluate the item. But most importantly, this is where you capture the business justification. These are the inputs provided by stakeholders, explanations, assumptions, and context behind the numbers. This information explains why an option scores the way it does and what business problem it truly addresses. Thanks to this, decisions are not only calculated, but also understood, transparent, traceable, and defensible. You want to see all justifications at once? The business justification view brings everything together. This is a consolidated view of all criteria, reference values, and the actual values assigned to each item. It allows you to see the full picture in a single place, clearly and transparently. And this is, in fact, the entire tool in a nutshell. DecideIT doesn't tell you what to choose. It ensures that whatever you choose, you can stand behind it. Worth mentioning, DecideIT is not just a tool. It is also not just a process. It is an entire mindset of transparency, value for money, trust, quality, and working together. A collaboration platform. We would be happy to take you on this journey.